Kasim Priestley was brought up. One thing for sure, they know the numbers.
That's true. I just found it funny though. No, Webster. The red card is out. Let's see if it's going to be shown. Webster can't believe what's about to happen. It's going to be interesting to see the replay. Well.
This is a disappointment.
Straight red card. And I'd love to see the replay here. So what exactly happened that would have warranted Cavaliers number 7 to get a straight red card?
Game basically finished. Came on as a substitute. Wow.
Did he throw an elbow?
No.
Did he make his arm went back? That's the end of the match, by the way. And again, that's going to be scrutinized by the relevant authorities. But well,
based on his arm action, that's not a red card. There's a moment where his left leg goes out and makes contact,
right.
But in the ear, I doubt, based on how that happens, that he could have purposely put his leg out to injure a player. So that's unfortunate, and yeah, that puts a blemish on the game to me. Anyhow,
Pearson had a couple of assists in this one. Christopher Pearson, as the Cavalier walked away with the win in the end. All Knight was beaten on a couple of occasions by strikes from Nicochet Murray with a header from a corner kick, and Colin Anderson, who pretty much sealed the deal in that first half. Harborview, they continue to be inconsistent.